Achoo, bless you. Or should I call an exorcist? Because once upon a time, doctors believed a sneeze wasn't just a cold, it was a demonic sneak attack. Back in the Middle Ages, sneezing was suspicious. People thought it meant evil spirits were trying to possess your body through your nostrils. Yep, a little sniffle could mean you were under spiritual assault. That's why people said bless you. Not just to be polite, but to literally ward off demons. Early healthcare included holy water, prayers, and maybe a sneeze-induced timeout. So next time someone sneezes 3 times in a row, don't hand them tissues. Just back away slowly. History is weirder than a ghost with allergies. Subscribe to Professor His Story for more hilarious true facts from the dusty, sneezy past.